Okay, let us look at stanza 2. It says here in stanza 2, hier word op die papier gefocus. Okay, here the focus is on the paper. Okay, the learner's answer sheet, the leerder se antwoordboeke. Okay, so it says here, no one dan kraak die blaai van 'n blad. Okay, so every now and then the turning of a page cracks. Okay, that is a metaphor. Okay, pages cannot crack. Okay, kraak die blaai van 'n blad. Okay, it's a metaphor. Kraak. It's an onomatopoeia. Okay, klank na botsing of onomatopie. Die stilte word hier verbreek deur die geluid van die papier wat gegooi kan word. Okay, so over here, the word like crack, the word crack, crack. Okay, it's the silence that's being broken by the sound of the paper that can be heard. So it's so dead still, guys. It's so quiet and all that, and then we hear somebody's page cracking. Okay, so it's breaking the silence. Okay. It says here, in die stilte wat daar hier is, kan 'n mens die papier hoor ritsel, okay? Soos die leerders die bladsye omblaai, okay? So in the silence, over here, one can hear the little rustling, you know, of the paper when the learner turned their page, okay? Die geluid wat in die stil vertrek gegooi kan word, is amper onheilspelend, okay? So the sound that can be heard, it's almost ominous, okay? So here, we have an alliteration of the BL sound over here, blaai and blaad, okay? Let us look at stanza 5, the September Eksamenlokaal, okay? The September exam year, okay? So it looks like the learners are writing in September, okay? It says here, September is the tyd wanneer die examen afgelê word. So September is the time when the exam is written. Looks like they're writing prelims. You guys will be writing prelims soon. It says here in die lente, okay? During spring, okay? 'n vrolike tyd, a happy time for nature, but not you guys, okay? It says here, maar nie so vrolik nou vir die leerders nie, okay? So it's not so happy for the learners, okay? Examentyd gaan met vrees en angs gepaard, okay? So the exam time is accompanied by fear and anxiety, guys. We all know this. Everybody experiences an exam in their lifetime. It says jy gaan 12 voorbereidende examen vind gewoonlik in September plus, okay? So the grade 12 prelim exams usually takes place in September, okay? In other words, we also call it a preparatory exam, okay? So die atmosfeer of lug is gespanne, okay? So the atmosphere or the air, you know, it's very tense, okay?